everyone, my name is Charlene from 2D, and today I'm going to show you this science video called What is Wrong with My Remote Control? See, here's my remote control, but it doesn't work. Why? Huh? What are these? Are these batteries? I think so. But let's see what does this do to the remote control. Now let me see what is wrong with the remote. Oh, those are in the wrong side. Let me fix it. See, are these correct? No, it isn't. Let me try doing it again. Are these correct? No, I don't think so. Now let's try to fix it now. Where is the negative and the positive ends? Now I see. This is the negative end and this is the positive end. This is the negative and this is the positive. Okay guys, thank you for watching my awesome video and stay tuned for the next episode of Science. Bravo. See you next time.